What's up, people? Welcome back. Just wanted to make a quick video here. Noticed a little unusual behavior while driving. Jeep seems very unstable. I mean, it has been for a while. I just haven't really had the time to address it. I did change, as you can see, I got the Hydro 7.0's steering stabilizer. I mean, I'm not sure how good that even works, to be honest. I mean, I just put it because the other one was really old, and I could tell it's never been replaced. I did change both the front shocks already. Same brand. I know I kind of cheaped out a little bit. But every time I drive, I still notice that the front end, even the back end, it's just not stable. Like, every time I go over a bump, it feels like it feels like everything is loose, pretty much. So what I did was came over here and I started moving things around. Not sure if you could see how that moves up and down, and that's definitely not supposed to do that, you know. So definitely have to address that for sure. I don't know, it has a little too much play for my liking, you know. Definitely have to change these bushings out here for sure. I might just replace the whole thing. Maybe that's the reason why it's so unstable, or it feels super unstable in the front. But yeah, just figured I'd make that quick video. And we'll see. Definitely make videos on that soon, changing that. Thank you guys again for watching.